To configure the self-service portal, first navigate to the admin homepage and select Sugar Portal in the Developer Tools panel. Then start with Configure Portal option, either by clicking the icon or the option in the module file tree. In the Configure Portal page, complete all the options that apply to your organization. The Enable Portal checkbox creates the portal site URL and creates the Sugar Portal user and the associated customer self-service portal role. Do not delete either of these. You can change the number of records that display on the list view. This value must not exceed 100. Then you can select the Sugar user that will be assigned to the contact record created by the portal registration. Select any module in the Hidden Module panel and drag it over to the Display Module panel, or vice versa. If you want to completely remove a module, you will have to disable it in the Customer Service Portal role. Then you can choose if you want users related to the account or only the primary contact and contacts related to the case to be able to see the case in the portal. Similarly, you can choose if you want all the contacts to see or only the participating contacts to see emails or messages in the case timeline in the portal. Then supply the portal with your company's contact information that will be available to portal users requiring additional assistance logging into your account. If a user clicks Forgot Username or did not get an email link after the portal user submits their username to initiate their password reset, this information will help them get logged on. At least one of these three fields needs to be completed. The Enable Notes in the Knowledge Base module means that your users will be able to view and create notes in the Knowledge Base articles. Then the Allow Users to Sign Up allows your new portal users to create a portal account from the portal login page. When disabled, the Sign Up link on the login page is hidden. And finally, you can allow portal users to close cases with a Request to Close button on an open case in the portal. Once you have completed this page, click Save. Then navigate to the Theme portal to change the look and feel of the portal. Depending on what edition of Sugar, you may have different options on the page. I'm configuring this as a SugarCRM edition, which displays all the fields available. You could add your own organization's logo to the portal by entering the URL. Please use the default dimensions of 1000 by 189 pixels. The blue background you see in the preview can be changed to another color or an image. You can then add or remove the New Case button, add a message beside the Case button, and what you want the New Case button to be labeled. You can change the text above the search bar that currently says, "What can we help you with today?" and then the full name of the customer. And you can change the button colors and the text links in the portal. Then click Save and Deploy to save the changes in the theme and also change the look and feel of the portal for your customers. Then you can go into the layouts and change any or all of the record and list view layouts, just like you do in Studio. If you go back into the Configure Portal option, you can select the URL for the self-service portal and then log in as one of your customers and make sure all of your changes were made. And that's how you configure the customer self-service portal.